everyone. I may have mentioned this in another video, but I'll bring it up again. PSITTACIF. Don't ask me to pronounce it because I can't. Perhaps you can, but that's the scientific name for parrots. Now, there's all kinds of parrots in the world. I'm not too sure what they're called, up there in outer space, in other worlds. But here on Earth, they call that PSITT name. Macaw, that's a large parrot. And there's parrotlets. There's cockatiels. There's Indian ringneck. I'm not going to name all the species. There's over 350 species. What I have is 2 cockatiels and 4 budgies. So that's, can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds. They're in a large cage. Can you see their cage? Right now, they're being very quiet. I'm getting ready to give them their fresh water so they can, and turn off the lights so they can sleep. So there'll be more videos coming. Just want you to know that they are really parrots. There's little parrots, there's big parrots. There's parrots that are in between. They say a parakeet is actually a parrot with a long tail. But however, if you see the cockatiels, they don't have such a long tail. So sometimes you just have to do your own research and not depend on people. And, I'm going to let you in a little secret. You really can't depend on me too much. I'm doing the best I can, but thank you for watching my video. Again, that's PSITTACIFORMES. Parrots.